we have got xn equal to up to a by pi n e to the power j n pi by 2 minus e to the power minus j n pi by 2 by 2j. Okay. So this is nothing but sun term. And one thing I want to say that omega naught t you can write. Omega naught is nothing but we have got 2 pi by t earlier. In the first only I have given what is omega naught. T here, t cancel, that only 2 pi will be there. Okay. So you can write this xn is nothing but a by pi n sine pi n by 2. Very important. Xn equal to a by pi n sine pi n by 2. So don't put to find x naught directly here. So to find x naught, we have formula. What is the value of x naught we can find? 1 by t, 0 to t, xt dt. Okay. You can find directly. Okay. How? This 1 by t, right? But this thing, integration part. Okay. This integration part is not, given nothing but area of on the signal for one period. Okay. What is the area? Area you can see in the waveform, that is minus t to minus the waveform is exist from minus t by 4 to t by 4. So what is the base? Base is you can write minus t by 4. You can write you can plus, you can find the base is t by 2 and height is a. So a into for rectangular area a into t by 2 and below t is there. This t cancel. So we have got x naught equal to a by 2. Have you understand this thing? So another thing you can see that xn will be 0 by looking this waveform. What is the xn? Xn will be 0 for what value? If n equal to 1, then pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 1 not. And for odd value, it is giving values. Okay. For even, if n equal to 2, then sine pi, it is 0. If n equal to 4, sine 2 twice pi, that is 0. So xn will be 0 for all value of n equal to even. Okay. Only we will get the value of xn for odd number. What is the value? Like x of 1, what is the value? X of 1, if you put 1 n equal to 1 here in this equation, sine pi by 2 equals 5. So a by pi. Similarly, if you take minus 1, then also we'll find sine minus pi by 2. Can anybody say what is the
minus e by pi?
What is the sine minus theta equal to? What is
Minus sine theta.
minus sine theta we can write. But what is cos minus theta? Cos theta only.
Cos theta.
So this will give minus 1. Here also minus 1 would be, so minus plus, it will give a by pi only. Understand? Similarly, you can find x of 3. X of 3 will be minus a by thrice pi. Or x of minus 3 would be, what is the value? Minus a by thrice pi. Okay. Similarly, you can find x of 5 equal to a by 5 pi and x of minus 5 equal to a by 5 pi. This thing you will get. Up to here it's completed. Have you completed? I have given all the values. What are the values you will get? Okay. First, I have derived the equation, exponential equation. Using the exponential Fourier series, I have derived the equation. Okay. Xn. Then I have found the value of x naught. Then what is the value for even number of n? Because sign is there, all the even part will be 0. Only some time is there, so all the even part will be 0. So what is the odd part values? I have given for 3 examples. Like that you have got others also. x1, x minus 1, x3, x minus 3, x5, x minus 5. I have shown in the values I have shown. Okay. So over. So what will be the magnitude plot then? Okay. I have to take magnitude of all this term. Okay. Since all are in real number, so magnitude is nothing but this number only. Understand the thing? Since all the numbers are real number, so when you take the magnitude, then this number will only come. So let me write the plot of magnitude spectrum of the signal. You have to write like this. Mod you have to give xn like this. Okay. This is the, and this x-axis will be n omega naught. Okay. So a naught I have found how much? A by 2. This is for, okay, this is for x0. So move to previous page. Okay, write it first. Since all the number are real number, there is no imaginary number is there. So if you take the mode x1, it will give a by pi only. If you take x mode x minus 1, it will give a by pi only. Okay. Understand? So, but what will be the phase? That is the important. I will explain when I explain the phase spectrum. It's over, I think. So come to the spectrum. We will have the spectrum for what? 1. What is the value of this? A by pi. For 2, it will be 0. For 3, another spectrum we will find. That is A by thrice pi. We have to take only the modulus. For 2 with 0, 3, we have got values. For 4, we will get 0. Again, for 5, we will find the value A by 5 pi. It will decreasing the amplitude. Similarly, here we will get A by pi, 2, 0, 3 will get similarly A by thrice pi. Again, 4, 0, 5 will get A by 5 pi. Okay. This minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Like that we will get. Okay. This is the equation for this. This is the magnitude spectrum of the given waveform, square waveform, periodic signal. This is called what? This is called magnitude spectrum. Okay. This is magnitude spectrum. What will be the phase spectrum then? What is the spectrum at t equal to 0? What is the phase of t equal to 0? If you take t equal to 0, only real number only there, no? Then let me give the idea. If something a plus ib, a complex number is there, suppose x equal to a plus ib, okay? X equal to a plus ib, then mode of x equal to nothing but a square plus b square, okay? And phase is given tan inverse b by a, isn't it? So here for a real number only a is there, so phase will be 10. What is the a value is given, something a by 2 is given, but b equal to 0 means tan 0 is tan inverse 0. Okay, so what is the tan inverse value? Tan inverse 0 means 0 only. Okay, so for 1 also there, that is a real number. Okay, so that for that 1 also the value, phase value will be 0. For 0 there is no value, so then also the phase value will 0. But for 3 you go previous slide. For 3 x3 equal to minus a by 3 is there. X3 is minus a by thrice pi is there. Okay, in this case what will be the phase? Can anybody say? If minus sign is there, what will be the value? It is 180. Okay, this is, you can write pi. Next 2 will be again come 0, again 3 4 5 will be give how much? Again pi. Understand? Like this you can find minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. They are also pi. In 5, I think the positive number is given. In 5 we have got positive real number. So in 5 also we will not get the value, but we will get in 7. In 7 we will get again pi. This is called the phase spectrum. Okay. If you look this graph, you can see the magnitude spectrum is nothing but the symmetry type of nature. Okay. Have you taken the note? So for that you should find for the equation, this equation. Okay, then only you can plot the signal, and by looking the graph you can say that this is two-sided graph. Okay, so exponential graph are nothing but two-sided graph. Similarly, you can find, let me give another problem, and let me give as a homework, because if I going to solve it, this also require, it's over, no? Write another problem as a homework. These are important. Find exponential class here. Please take the attendance also. find exponential Fourier series coefficient and magnitude spectrum and magnitude and phase spectrum of following waveform. It is a waveform. Can I say what types of signal this one? Even signal or odd signal?
Odd.
This is odd signal. How? It's
Antisymmetric.
so this is a kind of symmetry that is called, another kind of symmetry that is 3, that is called hidden symmetry. Okay, somebody message. Odd signal x t equal to minus x minus t. It's not like that. Let me give the idea. Hidden symmetry. Okay, hidden symmetry means the symmetry is hidden. By looking the plot, we cannot say, we cannot able to say what types of symmetry is this. No, there that is given by. You should first make, suppose xt is given this, so you have to find x dash by x of t plusing or doing minus with some dc term. Okay, understand? So what you will do, let me give the symmetry nature. You do it as a homework I am given, but this note you have taken, you just write down in your note. What is called hemosymmetry? We will find another x naught time x naught. The message, sir, you did not taught us hidden symmetry. Okay, now I am teaching you. Just you take note. Okay, what is called hidden symmetry? Take the note. So hidden symmetry is something by looking the graph we cannot say this is what types of symmetry. Okay, because even part should be equal to the left or right, and odd will be cross. Cross means this third quadrant and first quadrant should be similar. But by looking this xt, this graph, we cannot say what types of symmetry is this. So I'll take this class also up to half an hour or 40 minutes. Please continue with this class only, both section A and B. Okay. So what is hidden symmetry? I'll adding or substituting this waveform to make the equal amplitude in both the y-axis. Okay, what I am saying. This is the waveform is given, no? This is the waveform is given. A is given. T by 2, T by 2. What I will do? So I'll shift the signal up or below to make equal amplitude in both sides. This is a by 2. This is a by 2. This is minus a by 2. Okay. Just I shifting the signal to the downside to make amplitude similar. Okay. This is the thing. After shifting this waveform to below, you can see now this is nothing but a odd signal. Okay. The hidden symmetry signal are nothing but odd signal. Okay. If the hidden symmetry is there in the signal, then that will come as a odd only. So this is one kind of hidden symmetry signal. Understand? So by looking this graph, we can say now we can say this is a odd signal. Okay, this is a odd symmetry signal or anti-symmetry signal. Okay. So you do in your home, you try it. Okay, to find the Fourier series coefficient as well as magnitude spectrum. This is very also it's important. Let me give the answer. Okay, let me give the answer, and I have to conclude something. You will find the xn value of this graph as j a by cos pi n cos pi n minus 1. Okay. So one property you can find from this two graph. This previous one, what is previous one is even signal, is not it? So if a signal is given, xt is given even, a real and even signal, you take as a note. If xt, or you can write in time domain signal, frequency domain. If time domain signal is real or even, then in frequency domain we will get again a real and even signal only. If time domain signal is real and odd, like this example, this homework I have given this example. This is odd signal I am saying, no? This is odd signal, okay? The real and odd signal, then this your frequency domain signal will come imaginary plot odd. Okay, understand? We will find a signal which is imaginary as well as odd. By looking this equation, after solving this, we will get the xn value like this, and you can see the below a purely imaginary term j term will come. Okay, with the equation. This is a imaginary. That's why imaginary plus odd signal will find. So this thing you take a note. Is it clear? This thing you should know. By looking the graph only, you can say, okay, there will be a j term after solving this. By looking the graph, you can say, okay, there will be no j term, like that. This is I have given as a homework. Please try it. Okay, these are very important. Due to the another problem is there. Another problem also, right? I have you try at home. If you don't unable to solve, let me know. These are important. That's why I am giving. You should write this F capital, okay, anytime. Fourier, okay? Fourier series. Why? Why can you say why I have to write capital F when I write Fourier? This is the name of a person, okay, scientist. The scientist Fourier has invented this, has proposed this Fourier series or a Fourier transform thing. This is even signal, okay? So by looking this graph, since even signal, okay, you can find easily A naught below, is not it? Can anybody say why I'm saying this thing? By looking this graph, you easily find the value of A naught. Trigonometry Fourier series they are saying to find. By looking this graph, you can find easily the value of A naught. A naught is nothing but area by T. Okay. Understand what I am saying? 1 by T, 0 to T, xt dt. If it is xt, this is nothing but area. You find area by divide by T value, the time value. Time is how much here? You'll find as twice pi. Okay. So easily you can easily find this A naught below. Similarly, you can find Bn. What is the value of Bn here? Can anybody say? Trigonometry Fourier series. I am giving the concept. That's why I am giving this waveform. So what is the value of Bn here? Can anybody say? Since it is a even signal. So let me write the equation for trigonometry Fourier series A naught summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. Okay, this is part, this is odd part, this is even part. Okay, since this signal is the even signal only, okay, this signal is even signal, we can say by looking the graph, since this is a even signal, that's why the bn value will be 0. Okay, just you have to find for an value. Okay, so an value, how you can find an? By taking the integration we know t naught plus t xt cos n omega naught t dt. Just you have to solve this to find the an value. Okay, the value you'll get, let me give the answer, cos pi n sin n pi by 2. I have already solved this thing in the previous problem. Just go through, try to solve this. Okay, because this equation and the exponential signal what I have given, the waveform was similar. Okay, here A is there, but in this waveform I am not giving the A, only one is there. That's why this thing has come. Okay, just solved. Okay, just solve. If you unable to solve, let me know. Okay, class here, please take the attendance, and I'll take after half an hour once again. I'll take half an hour more class. Sir is not there. Sir affecting with corona. That's why. Sir request me to take the class. So up to till now, any problem? Any problem? Any doubt? Any doubt you can ask. The Zoom class going to be somebody messages. Sir, you said hidden symmetry signals are odd signal. Okay, now you are saying it is even signal. Oh, what? This is even signal only. This is even signal only. You see, only first quadrant and second quadrant waveform is exist. That's why it is even signal. But even waveform, I am giving this is problem number 2. Okay, But here you see, this is the problem number 1 as a homework. Okay, here this is the odd signal. This is odd signal means the symmetry is hidden. Okay, you have to make amplitude equal in both negative and positive side. Yes, sir. But you said hidden symmetry signals are odd signal. Obviously, this is hidden. That's why it is odd. But this is not even no. This is not hidden. No, this is not a hidden signal. We directly say that even signal. Where is the problem? I am not getting you. Where you have doubt? You confused, I think.